Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Now select Emergency Information, click on Add Contact, and select all the ones that you need by tapping on all of them individually. In order to remove one of your added contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!